Welcome back to the heart of our channel. You're in a safe space now. Close your eyes and allow your attention to settle on the sound of our voices. I'm Rheya Rivers.
And I'm Lyanna Lane. Take a slow breath in and exhale fully, releasing the day.
You might wonder why we use story meditations to find peace. When your mind is racing, forcing it to be quiet creates more tension. Just as the moon completes its cycle in 28 days, your body thrives on a consistent pattern of care.
This is why we've created the 28-day nervous system reset. For 28 nights, we invite you to listen to one story. Each one is a specific signal to your body to move out of fight or flight and into deep, restorative rest.
If you're ready to begin, hit subscribe and commit to day 1. You do not need to do anything else. The story will do the work for you. Imagine you are standing at the edge of a quiet, moonlit forest. The air is cool, and the only sound is the soft, rhythmic rustle of leaves overhead. You are wearing a heavy woolen cloak. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs with the scent of pine and night air. Hold it. And exhale slowly through your mouth. This cloak is woven from the threads of your day, the to-do lists, the worries, the weight of others' expectations. It's thick, damp from the evening mist, and its weight is a physical ache across your back and shoulders. Feel the texture of the wool against your skin, holding on to the heat and the stress of every hour that has passed since you woke. Every obligation, every small frustration is knitted into the fibers. Breathe in. Feel the weight of that cloak rise with your shoulders. Breathe out. Feel how heavy it is, pulling you toward the ground. Before you is a warm cottage. The door is open, spilling golden light onto the grass. This is your sanctuary. As you step onto the porch, the wood feels solid and welcoming beneath your feet. You reach for the clasp of the cloak at your throat. It is cool to the touch, ready to be released. Take a deep, intentional breath in, feeling the expansion of your ribs. Hold that breath for a moment of stillness. And as you exhale, feel the cloak slide off your shoulders, falling to the floor with a dull, muffled thud. Leave it outside. Let the night air take care of it. Step into the warmth of the cottage. Notice the immediate space between your ears and your shoulders. You are light, you are free. Inhale the warmth of the room. Exhale and soften your jaw, letting it drop slightly. Walk further into the room. A soft, oversized chair awaits by a hearth where a fire is low and amber. You don't need to do anything here. No one is watching. No one is waiting for an answer or a result. The world outside has paused, and for the first time today, you are allowed to be completely still. Whisper to your heart, I am more than the roles I play and the work I do. Your nervous system is receiving the signal that the work is done. The fight or flight response is dissolving, replaced by the slow, steady rhythm of rest and digest. Feel the warmth of the fire reaching your toes, traveling up your knees, and softening your hands. Every muscle in your face is beginning to let go. Slowly breathe in the scent of cedar, beeswax, and warmth. Exhale the last of the tension, sending it deep into the floor beneath you. The day behind you is like a book that has been closed and placed on a high shelf. You cannot edit the pages tonight. You can only rest so you have the strength to read the next chapter tomorrow. The ink is dry. The story is set. Let those chapters rest in the dark. They do not need your attention until the sun rises again. Take a long cleansing breath in. And sigh it out with a soft sound. Let the thoughts settle in. By letting go, I create the space for my true self to thrive. Allow yourself to realize, I do not need to earn my rest. It is my natural right to be still. The world will continue to turn without your constant effort. For now, the only task is to exist. Feel the pulse in your fingertips. The slow, effortless rise of your chest. The quiet ticking of the clock that marks time only for your peace. Imagine there is a window in this cottage looking out at the stars. Each star is a thought you've had today. Watch them glimmer, far away and untouchable. They are beautiful, but they are distant. You don't need to reach for them. You only need to watch them fade as the mist rolls in. Inhale the stillness of the night. Exhale and feel your body sink 2 inches deeper into the chair. Quietly remind yourself, I am reclaiming my calm one night at a time. Imagine a soft white light beginning at the top of your head, slowly moving down, relaxing every muscle it touches. Through your jaw. Through your neck. Through your arms. And down to your very center. Every cell in your body is being given permission to power down. Breathe into your belly, feeling it rise like a gentle tide. And let it fall away completely. You are safe. You are held by the silence. The forest outside protects your privacy, and the walls around you hold only kindness. There is nothing to fix, nothing to solve, and nothing to change. You are exactly where you are meant to be. The story has done the work. Your mind is quiet. Your body is heavy with the good kind of tiredness. Hit subscribe to ensure you find your way back for day 2. As the fire burns down to glowing embers, feel yourself drifting. The boundaries of the room are softening and blurring. The colors of the cottage are fading into a gentle velvet gray. You are no longer a person with a name or a job. You are simply a soul ready to recharge. One last deep breath in. Hold it for a count of 3. And let it all go. The forest is quiet. The cottage is still. You are home. Sleep now, unburdened. Into the dream.